Yes. So before starting with our class, let's see what is our objective. Okay. What are we going to learn in this class? What are we going to learn some new thing in the class? So we are going to learn, we are going to know about the character in the story. So students will be able to identify character in the story. What is the meaning of identify? Identify matlab पहचानना. You will recognize, you will identify the character in the story. Okay. Now can anybody tell me what is character? Character क्या होता है? Like you might have read many stories. आपने बहुत सारे stories देखे होंगे, right? पढ़े होंगे in your like in television, TV पर भी आप बहुत cartoon वाले stories देखते हो. तो what is the character? You can tag Anus. Anus, only Anus will answer. Rest all will be on mute mode. Anus, tell me what is a character, beta? Character क्या होता है?
आदमी।
Okay, only आदमी, only person, people. Oh, no other will talk. Only Anus. Okay, I'll give opportunity to answer to everyone, but right now only Anus will answer. Okay, Anus, very good. Yes, very nice. That person, people, आदमी, ये character होता है, right? But only that person or people ही character होता है. कोई और characters नहीं होते. Yes, Rakshit. A person in the story, animals also. Yes, very good. Animals also, right? Tell me, have you
game
animal birds? Okay, have you seen Chhota Bheem? Chhota Bheem देखा है आपने? Chhota Bheem cartoon? Yes, and you enjoy also, right? So, who are all are there in the story? Chhota Bheem cartoon में कौन कौन होता है? Tell me. Who all are there in the cartoon?
मैं बोलूं?
हाँ. Yes, Akila.
दीदी मैं बोलूं?
Yes, Akila, बोलिए. Only Akila will answer now.
दीदी चुटकी।
Yes, very good. Chutki. Then only Chutki. Quickly,
और
quickly.
भी कालिया।
Kalia, right. Then
दीदी मैं बताऊं क्या?
no. Now only Akila. Others can type on the chat box. Yes, very good. Rakshit and Chaitra, Faisal are using chat box. Very nice. Yes. So Chutki, Jaggu, Raju, Bheem, Kalia, Dholu, Bolu. So these are what? These are the people in the story, right? All are people. सारे इंसान है, सारे human beings है. Tell me, all are human beings in the story. What about Kalia and Jaggu? कौन है ये? Yes, animal. Jaggu. Yes. Monkey is also there ना. वो monkey का नाम क्या है? What is the name of that monkey in Chhota Bheem?
जग्गू।
Jaggu, right? Yes, Jaggu. तो वो भी एक character है ना story में? Yes or no? So who is the character? What is the character? We'll see that. Okay. So mute everyone. Okay, mute everyone. That's nice. Very nice. So what is a character? So character can be person, people, एक इंसान, एक human being, ये भी एक character होता है, right? Then animals also. You can see animals waving hand. You also wave hands. उनको wave करो. Wave hands. See, they are saying hi to you. Yes, great. So these are what? These are animals, ना? So ये भी एक character होते हैं. Then the third one is dragon. Dragon, creatures, right? These are what? These are also character in the story. Clear? So who is the character? Repeat after me. A character is a character. Mute and then only one will repeat after me. Rest all will be on unmute mode, mute mode. So I will ask Chaitra. Chaitra,
Yes.
repeat after me. Rest all will also repeat, but being on mute mode. बाकी सब mute में रहेंगे. Chaitra, be on unmute mode and repeat after me. A character is a. Yes, Chaitra.
The character
A person.
is the
Person.
person.
Animal.
Person.
An animal
An animal
and a creature.
and a creature.
Very good. So these are what? These are the characters. Now tell me, if I ask you that is mobile phone a character? If my mobile phone is in the story, so is the mobile phone a character, children?
Okay, Didi.
Yes, Sunakshi, tell me. Sunakshi, unmute yourself. Yes, Sunakshi.
दीदी आपने अभी क्या बोला?
मैंने पूछा, I asked, see, person, animal, creature, ये character होते हैं ना story में. So if I ask you that is mobile phone a character, so what you will say? Is mobile phone a character?
Yes.
Mobile phone character होता है? क्यों? Tell me
No.
why.
No.
Why no?
No.
Yes, nobody else will answer, only Sunakshi. Yes, Sunakshi, tell me why no? Mobile phone क्यों character नहीं होता? Yes, Rakshit, no character, right? Why Sunakshi? क्यों character नहीं है वो? जो भी आपको आंसर ठीक लगे, you can tell it, okay? No problem. बताइए.
क्योंकि मोबाइल फोन इंसान नहीं है.
हाँ, it is not a person, it is not an animal, it is not a creature, right? So it is not a character. Yes or no? Right.
Yes.
So who is a character? It is a person, it is an animal or a creature. Okay. So this is what the first thing about a character. So when you will see a story, अगर आपको person दिखे, people दिखे, animals दिखे और creature दिखे, dragons, monster दिखे, so they are the character in the story. Okay, so this is the first step to identify. Character हम कैसे पहचानेंगे? This is the first step to identify. Okay, so if you see these things in the story, आपको समझ जाना है कि these are what? These are the character. Clear now? Did you understand who is a character? Yes, great. Type on the chat box quickly. Yes, Didi. If you understood, type on the chat box. Yes, no, जो भी हो आप type कीजिए. Okay, so we will move on to the next step. Quickly type in. I want to see the chat box flooded with the answers yes or no. आपको अगर first step समझा, so you can type on the chat box. Yes, Apurva thing. Okay. Yes, creature thing. Anybody else? Yes, no. सिर्फ आपको yes, no type करना है. Okay, Rakshit is saying yes, Didi. What about others? Quickly. Okay, Laiba. That's great. Okay, Faisal, Chaitra, Tanish. Okay, Tanishka didn't understand. Okay, I will repeat for you, Tanishka. See, Tanishka, जब हम एक story पढ़ते हैं, देखते हैं, when we read or see a story, we see many things in that story, ना? हमें बहुत सारी चीजें दिखते हैं वो stories में. So these things, ये जो चीजें हैं, वो characters होते हैं. So everyone is not character in the story, right? Yes or no? So who is the character in the story? So person, people, animals and creature. ये जो आपको photos दिख रहे हैं, so these are what? These are the character in the story. Okay, which are there in the story, which are talking in the story, जो role play करते हैं. Okay, if like for example, छोटा भीम आपने cartoon देखा, right? So there are many people in the story. So you can see Jaggu, you can see Chota Bheem, then many other people are there in the story. तो वो क्या हुए? वो story के characters हुए. ठीक है, जैसे हीरो हीरोइन कैसे रहते हैं पिक्चर में? यस और नो? होते हैं ना?
Yes.
यस. so they are what? They are the characters in the story. yes ना? स्टोरी में आप कुछ पिक्चर देखते हो, राइट? तो एक पिक्चर में what all things are there, what all people are there? There are hero, heroine, actress, villain होते हैं. yes or no? So these are what, these people are the character in the story. Okay, they are playing part in the story. So these are nothing but characters. So ऐसे सिर्फ people ही character नहीं होते, कुछ कुछ stories में animals भी होते. Can you tell me in which movie animals are the characters? Tell me. Who will tell me? Okay, I will give you hint. जंगल जंगल बात चली है, पता चला है. Tell me, which movie we have animal as the character? Yes, yes. Jungle Book, Mowgli. So in that, right, in that there are many animals ना, बहुत सारे animals होते हैं ना उस movie में, है कि नहीं? बगीरा, शेर खान, yes or no? है ना?
Jungle Book.
जंगल बुक, राइट. सो जंगल बुक में यू कैन सी बगीरा, आपको शेर खान दिखते हैं ना. सो दीज आर व्हाट, दीज आर एनिमल ना, जो बातें कर रहे हैं उस स्टोरी में. ये सर नो, वो मूवी में बातें कर रहे हैं. सो दे आर व्हाट इन द स्टोरी, दे आर दी कैरेक्टर्स इन द स्टोरी. डिड यू गॉट इट चिल्ड्रन? अभी आपको समझा होगा ना, व्हेन द टीचर इज सेइंग अबाउट पिक्चर एंड ऑल. यस. So these are what, these are character. उसमें Mowgli is a person ना, Mowgli एक इंसान है. So Mowgli is also character. But उस picture में, उस movie में हमें animals भी दिखते हैं. We see animals also in that movie. So those animal are also characters. Clear? Is it clear, children? If
Yes,
now,
Didi.
yes,
Yes,
right,
Didi.
yes, yes. So like we have Anaconda movie, we have this Jurassic Park जिसमें ड्रैगन्स होते हैं, एंड देन गॉडजिला एंड ऑल. तो ये भी कैरेक्टर्स हुए, ये क्रीचर्स है, ये भी कैरेक्टर हुए मूवी में, राइट? यस और नो? So if you understood, so if you see these things in the story, yes, Super Beam, Spider-Man, these are what, these are characters in the story. Clear now? Shall we move on? Shall we move on next?
This is Spider-Man movie.
Yes. So
Yes.
yes, good.
This is Dragon.
Yes. So we are going to see the other part. Okay. हम step 2 देखेंगे. Step 1 हमने देख लिया कैसे पहचानना, how to identify a character. So let's see step 2. So the step 2 is, what do the characters do in the story? इस stories में करते क्या है characters? What they do? क्या करते? Okay, tell me what they do. So first is they think. They think in the story. सोचते हैं कुछ ना कुछ. They feel in the story. Like they are happy, they are angry, they are sad. So they feel in the story. Yes? Yes or no? Then they do action also. They fight, then they jump, then they like they do many things. कुछ ना कुछ करते रहते हैं वो characters. Yes or no? So if this things, if you see people, if you see animal doing these things, अगर आपको कोई people, कोई animal ये सारी चीजें करते हुए दिखते हैं, so you can make out that that thing or that person is the character in the story. Yes, Sin Chan. Yes. Now, as we were talking about the Jungle Book, yes, na? So in Jungle Book, you can see Mowgli. Now, Mowgli is what? Mowgli is a character. Why Mowgli is a character, Palak? Palak Payal, why Mowgli is the character? Tell me. Mowgli क्यों character है?
Mowgli is a people.
Yes, person. Mowgli is a person. Mowgli is human, इंसान है, right? ये first step हुआ. Second step वो क्यों character होगा इस movie में? Because Mowgli can think. Mowgli सोचता भी है. Mowgli feel भी करता है. When it feels like when Mowgli is jumping on trees, वो जब action करता है, Mowgli is very happy, ना? Yes or no? Yes or no? T2, yes. So when Mowgli is jumping, Mowgli is happy. When Sher Khan comes in front of Mowgli, what happens to Mowgli? Tell me what happens. क्या हो जाता है? नेहा, can you tell me? When Sher Khan comes in front of Mowgli, क्या होता है बेटा उसको? Yes, tell me, Neha.
Sir.
Neha, can you unmute yourself, beta? Okay, Rakshit is saying Mowgli is brave. Okay, so I tag. Next, I'll tag Shruti. Shruti, Shruti, tell me, when Mowgli comes in front of Sher Khan, what happens? Mowgli क्या करता है? What Mowgli does?
ये जंप करता है.
Yes, yes, Shruti.
जंप करता है मोगली.
Yes. So he does action. Na? Mowgli does action. He jumps, he runs, and he feels scared also. Okay. He feels scared. Sometimes he feels brave. Yes or no? Yes or no? Right. So this is how, yes. So this is how a character do in the story. Either he think, वो सोचता भी है, feel भी करता है चीजें, it feels also, and that character does some action also. Okay. Clear? So the second thing, yes, Tom and Jerry, right? Tom and Jerry characters, they every time either they run here and there, so they do action and they think also. Jerry thinks कि मैं Tom को कैसे सताऊं. So Jerry is thinking also. Jerry is feeling happy also when Tom gets hurt, and Jerry is doing some action also, running here and there when Tom tries to catches him. Yes or no? Yes. Neha is raising hand. Neha, do you want to say something better? Yes, Neha. Okay.
Didi Augie and the cockroach.
Yes, Augie and Cockroach, right. So there are many characters. You can see many stories, and there are many characters who think, who feel, and who do some action. So this is the second, like what I can say, second step to
And
identify
Didi
a character.
Doraemon.
Yes, Doraemon.
Monkey
Okay.
and Trunky.
Use chat box.
Didi Peppa.
Use chat box,
Didi
children.
Shinchan.
I can see your excitement, but
Didi
on the other hand, you have to follow Zoom norms also, ना हमारे rules होते हैं ना, so follow that and type on the chat box. Great, very good, children.
एक और एनिमल्स वाला कार्टून मंकी एंड ट्रंक.
Yes, monkey and trunk. So in that you can see they are doing many things. Okay, so step one was how you will identify a character. Either it will be a person, an animal, or creature. Right? This is step one. Step two is 2 minutes. Yes, beta, बोलिए.
एक और
Yes. Okay, no problem.
एक
So the
और
next is
कार्टून है मार्शा एंड द बेयर.
Marsh and the bear. Right. Great. So the next step is how you can identify a character by, yes, by seeing that the character is thinking or not, feeling or not, or doing action or not, right?
Paw Patrol.
Yes. So I will again ask you one question, the same question, and you tell me the answer whether
Did you
that
want
thing
the
is
blue?
character or not. I will ask you one
Didi
more
Mickey
question.
Mouse.
Yes.
Didi Mickey Mouse.
Yes, Mickey Mouse, Tom and Jerry, many are there. But right now you will be on mute mode, okay?
Didi Shinchan.
Yes. Okay. So tell me, okay, I will tag one. I tag Rakshit. Rakshit, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, rest all will be on mute mode. Rakshit, tell me if I say that is house a character or not? So what you will say?
No, Didi.
No. Okay, why?
वो हिल नहीं सकता.
Okay, he cannot do any. Okay, house cannot do any action. Then what else? Only action. What else?
दीदी हम
One.
उसमें
हाँ.
लेते हैं.
Yes.
दीदी हम उसमें लेते हैं.
रहते हैं. But what is the other thing? We have seen steps also, na? So first step क्या है? To identify. Is it a person, animal, or creature? Tell me.
Think.
No. Yes. Then does house think, feel, or do action?
No.
No. So therefore, house is not a character. Clear? Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Very good. Now the next is, yes, the third step is characters change. Now what do you mean by characters change? That means कि you can see in the story कि पहले character बहुत sad था. Okay, the character is very sad and then it becomes happy. Do you remember angry Akku? आपको angry Akku याद है बेटा? Do you remember angry Akku in circle time?
Yes.
Yes. So initially angry Akku कैसी होती है? How is angry Akku that initially पहले कैसी होती है story में?
Angry.
Angry. And what else? What other like feelings you can see or expression you can see? कैसी होती है पहले? Angry or what else? Yes. Faisal, unmute yourself and tell me how is angry Akku? Yes, she is sad, brave. Okay. Faisal, can you tell me? Faisal?
Yes, Didi.
Faisal, tell me how is angry Akku at first in the story? Story में पहले angry Akku कैसी होती है?
Sad.
Sad, yes. And then as we move on, जैसे जैसे हम story आगे देखते जाते हैं, when we move on to the story, what change you can see in angry Akku?
Happy.
Happy, right? So the like character पहले sad भी होता है, later on it becomes happy, और पहले afraid होता है, later on it becomes brave, right? So पहले lazy होता है and then as story go on it becomes, the character becomes hard working. So characters also change. कि जैसे वो पहले होता है, it is not necessary that that feeling or that state remains in the same in the story. ठीक है, वो change भी होता रहता है. Okay, clear now? Is it clear how the character changes? Initially it may be sad or it may be afraid, lazy, but then as the story go on it changes to be happy. फिर वो happy हो जाता है, brave होता है. Yes, yes or no?
दीदी कलेक्टर जब कलेक्टर कोई गलत काम करता है वो सैड हो जाता है.
हाँ. And then when somebody teaches that character कि ऐसा नहीं करना है, we should not do like that, then the character becomes brave or hardworking. Yes or no? Right. So this is how the character changes in the story. Okay. So this is all about the character, children. That first is how you will identify a character. A character should be a person, animal, or creature. Then a characters feel also, that is what they do in the story, they think, सोचते हैं, they feel like they are angry, happy, they cry in the story, right? And they do action also, they jump, they laugh, they fight. Yes or no? So these all things are done by the character in the story. जो आप पिक्चर में भी देखते हो, हीरो, हीरोइन, एक्ट्रेस, विलन, they think, then they cry, then they fight. There are many things going on. Yes. So these things are done only by character. तो ये सारी चीजें कैरेक्टर्स करता है. ओके. यस सोनाक्षी.
दीदी I want to
यस बेटा.
वीर द रोबो बॉय में भी एक्शन होता है.
Yes, action hota hai. And then the third thing you can see is characters also changes. Pehle sad hote hain, then it becomes happy. First it is very afraid, like Mowgli. He is afraid of Sher Khan, and then later on it becomes brave and fight with Sher Khan. Then you can see lazy and hardworking. That initially children are very lazy, they are not doing homework, but when Didi tell them, so they changes and they become hardworking. They send their homework. So this is how the characters also in the story changes. Okay, clear? Is it clear now? Yes. Put thumbs up or put in the chat box that it's clear or not. अगर आपको clear है, you say yes about the character. Yes, Veer, the robo boy. I can see many characters coming up. Great. That's great. So, children, now we are moving ahead. Okay. So, you are going to watch one video and then I'm going to ask you few questions in the at the end. Okay. So, are you ready? Are you ready, children?
Yes, Didi.
Yes. So I'm going to ask you, like, play one video. Sarita Didi. Sarita Didi, are you there?
Yes, Maji.
Can you play the video, Didi?
Yeah. Wait.
Okay. Should I make you the host or you are able to do it, Didi?
No, I'm not able to do it. Make me the
Okay.
host or allow me to share.
Yes, yes. I'll allow.
दीदी आपकी स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही है.
I am not sharing anything, beta. Didi, yes, you can share now. Look at the story carefully, children. I am going to ask you questions after that.
तुला दाखवतात ते
The Enco X has a unique audio structure, combining a rear planar magnetic driver with a dynamic driver. Its coaxial structure delivers rich sound details and bass to treble.
Are you able to hear the sound?
Technology is the new
Yes,
instrument.
Didi, yes.
We innovate, explore the new, get back to the original, to restore what's real in music. That's why we made the Enco X.
Time is valuable. Arjun was a very lazy boy. He used to always postpone things. One day, his father called him and made him understand the value of time. He said that he should never waste time. Arjun promised his father that he would never postpone things. One day, he came to know that he had won the first prize in a singing competition held in his school. Arjun was asked to collect the prize on the very same day. As usual, Arjun didn't care and went to take the prize the next day. But now the prize was useless, as it was a ticket to a circus that was held on the previous day. And now Arjun learnt a lesson from this incident. Moral: the moral of the story is that time is very valuable. You should always do things on time.
Okay, Didi, you can stop sharing.
दीदी ब्रेक कभी
Okay, yes, 2 minutes, children. Now we will soon go for break. Okay, our time is there, na? Okay. So, yes, did you watch the story? Did you watch the story, children? Yes or no?
यस दीदी
Great. Okay, did you understand the story? What was the story about? Yes. Okay. Type on the chat box. Type on the chat box. Sarita Didi, can you make me the host again? So, yes, children. Now tell me, did you understood the story? आपको story समझ में आई? If yes, then type on the chat box yes or put thumbs up. Okay, so Nakshi is saying yes. You can just put thumbs up. Yes, time is valuable. Okay, there are many yes coming up. Okay, yes. So now, as you have understood the story and you have watched the story, we are going to quickly see a question answers on that. Okay, I am going to ask you a few questions on that story. Clear? Are you ready? And one more thing, very important rule is I will tag you. Only that kid will answer. Rest all will type on the chat box. Clear? Yes or no? Okay, that's great. So let me ask you the questions now. Yes. Again, can you see the screen? Okay.
Yes,
This. Okay. Yes, you can see the screen. Okay. So now, first I will ask the question to Tejal. Tejal, unmute yourself, beta.
यस दीदी
Great. Tejal, read the first question. Okay, I will help you, Tejal. Try to read. Tejal. Are you there, beta?
यस दीदी
Tejal, just answer this question. First question. First, read the question.
हु
Hmm.
इज
Hmm.
द
Hmm. Character.
कैरेक्टर
Okay. Who is the character? Now tell me who is the character in the story. Others can type on the chat box. Who is the character? Yes. Hazel? Harshu. Is it Harshu? Who was the character?
Harshu.
Harshu. Okay. Actually, the character's name is Arjun. Okay. What is the name of the character? Arjun. Arjun. So tell me, Arjun is animal, creature, or a person? Yes. Tell me. Arjun is a character, a person, or an animal? Yes.
Person.
Arjun is what? Character, right?
Person.
Yes, person. Right. And then what is Arjun doing in the character? Tell me.
Person.
What is he doing in the character? What in the story?
Video game. Didi.
Yes. Yes, Rakshit.
Didi.
Yes.
Arjun